guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fresh and Curly Hair. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Very beautiful and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more beautiful and trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more beautiful and stylish collection. Trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girl. For girls, for women. You see in this video, I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle, fine and beautiful ideas of messy hairstyle. So beautiful ideas of messy hairstyle. Different collection of spiky hairstyle. Beautiful variety designs ideas of spiky hairstyle with undercut and shaved art. And many much more latest and beautiful collection of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut, some ideas layered. some idea step. And so beautiful ideas of spiky hairstyle. And different ideas of undercut and shaved art, some ideas in lines, some ideas in exact design, some ideas in electric designs. Trendy ideas of hair dye, blonde color. Burgundy color and so attractive ideas of highlights, in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors with different ideas of best color. Overall ideas, latest and trendy. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you tried, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. You look very beautiful. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support. Your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.